Hey everyone, Madonna here. Hope you all had a fantastic Valentine's Day yesterday. Love yourself, love the planet, love your friends. Love is good. And if you can't do any of that, let's just do a little balance around love and connectedness. So I was watching a Northern Exposure episode yesterday or the day before, and it was at the end where Joel Flashman was, upriver, and he was finding himself and doing lots of breathing and living simply. And he pointed out these mushrooms and sort of saying, they're not individual mushrooms. There's like a carpet of this fungus in underneath the land, and this mat, all of these organisms were connected. And that's what we're like on the planet. We're just unaware of it because we're told we're separate. We're told that we're apart from other people. We're told not to connect. Connection is dangerous. So we are connected. We are safe. And I want you to think, even if you don't believe it, I want you to think about, in your heart of hearts, if you had had the best life you could possibly have had, where would you be on the spectrum of love? If you had felt love fully, unconditionally by your family, if you had felt love unconditionally by your teachers, by your colleagues at work, by your workmates, how would that have impacted on you? So many of us have been traumatized at different times of our lives, and it's made us unable to feel love, unable to feel empathy, unable to feel that goodness and connectedness that's out there. So, okay, so we are connected. So pain and punishment around connection. Connection is good. Connection is safe. Connection is good. Connection is safe. It is safe to be connected. It is safe to be connected. Escape submission freeze, wanting to run away rather than hear that it is safe to be connected. It's not the mainstream message at the moment. It's all about fear. It's all about division. It's all about saving everyone by keeping apart and not being connected. It is safe to be connected. It is safe to be loved. It is safe to be loved. Escape submission freeze. When we're little itsy bitsy human beings, that whole connection to our parents, the parents release oxytocin. It comes through the breast milk. So in relation to the release of oxytocin, in relation to the release of care hormones, in relation to the release of love hormones. Okay, there's still an issue there. Escape submission freeze. Sometimes the brain doesn't want you to relax and be happy because it wants to keep you in fear. Fear overrides all other emotions. If we're in fear, it can stop us relaxing. It can stop us feeling love. It can stop us from being awake and alive and connected. It can shut down our conscious brain. That's why we need to keep on coming back to our conscious brain on a daily basis. There's some anger in there around that. What it's been feeling like to me this year is, those years in the 80s with the Cambodia genocide, where people were kept in small villages of 20 to 100 people, and there was no connection between different villages. So the more you isolate people, the less information people have and the less connected people have. And I think that's why this awakening of the world, understanding we're spiritual human beings, understanding that we are alive and connected. We are safe in our connection. We are safe in our awakening. We are safe understanding the big picture. Safety is power. We are safe. We are sovereign. We are connected. We are safe. We are sovereign. We are connected. We are safe. We are sovereign. We are connected. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Take care. I love you.